Hi friends and fam, awesome to have you back. In this episode part, we want to calculate 5,580 divided by 36. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 5,580 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 36 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 5 big enough for 36 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 36 is larger than 5. So we must take the next digit too. How many 36 are in 55? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 36, which gives us 36. Draw line and subtract 55 minus 36, which leaves us with 19. Now we bring down the next digit, 8, and this makes our new number 198. How many 36 are in 198? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 36, which gives us 180. Draw line and subtract 198 minus 180, which leaves us with 18. Now we bring down the next digit, 0, and this makes our new number 180. How many 36 are in 180? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 36, which gives us 180. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 155. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting content.